Have you ever wondered about the geographical history of the TransLink network maps? No? Then why are you here? Today, I have spent 6 hours compiling all known TransLink network maps with exclusion to revisions due to cross-river rail closures. So, without further ado, let's go back in time to 2005. 2005 was the freshest PDF file I could possibly manage, with the previous rendition of the Queensland train network cut into 4 different sections and not worth the headache stitching them together. Fortunately, thanks to the collective powers of Google, previous renditions of the network map are readily available via archived photo scans. So let's start all the way back in the 1980s. The pre-alpha map in the 1980s featured large bolded lettering, and people may notice that the exhibition line is yellow, the Cleveland line is blue, and the Doomben line is brown. A solid start to our journey towards modern times. The 1990s featured sharper, more triangular line diagrams. Queensland Rail had a new logo.
Castledine Station
Had just opened.
Bray Park Station
Had just opened. The Doomben line is now yellow, and the exhibition line is now striped orange. December 2005, we have a new railway line, the Brisbane Airport Line, built in 2001. We have 2 new stations.
The Brisbane Domestic Airport, the Brisbane International Airport.
October 2008, a thinner head and foot banner. We have a connection of the inner north and southeast busways. We have a new station, King George Square. We have another new station, Brunswick Street, which was renamed to Fortitude Valley. Buranda Station is no longer wheelchair accessible. And Benoon to Kingston, with exclusions to Trinder Park, are wheelchair accessible. Coopers Plains is added as an interchange for Beenleigh and Gold Coast trains. December 2009. The Ipswich and Rosewood line, including the Toogoolawah rail bus, moves south from Indooroopilly for the new Eastern Busway from UQ Lakes to PA Hospital. The Corinda and Tennyson line made more tighter on the curves. A new station had opened, Varsity Lakes, on the Gold Coast line. A new busway, the Inner Northern, renamed to Northern and extended to Royal Brisbane Women's Hospital. The 4th map in December 2010, a new station had opened,
Richland Station,
as well as a new logo for Queensland Rail. We have an honourable mention for January 2011, where the TransLink logo had increased in size. In January 2012, Tennyson Station was removed. The Corinda to Yirrongpilly line was also removed. A preview for the Springfield Central line was added to the bottom of the network map. A preview for the Kippa-Ring line was added to the top of the map. The Varsity Lakes station name had been moved to the opposite side of the line to make way for the Gold Coast Rapid Transit inset map, which was added where Varsity Lakes was originally situated. The Eastern Busway had extended to Buranda, Stones Corner and Langlands Park. The Northern Busway to Kedron had a preview added. The Ferny Grove line was bent to accommodate the Kedron Busway preview, and the title Rail and Busway map had changed to Train and Busway map. In June 2012, the Kippa-Ring line preview had been removed. The Springfield Central line preview had also been removed. The Eagle Junction to Myrtletown rail bus was also removed. A new head and foot banner design was added, and the Kedron Busway was now open. An honourable mention for July 2013, where the head and foot banner size was reduced. There were no changes until January 2014, when the line curve was removed at Dutton Park. Beenleigh, Nudgee, Deagon, Sandgate, Murarrie, Windsor, Mitchelton, and Riverview. There was a new station,
Springfield Central Station,
as well as
Springfield Station.
the Cleveland line is now blue. The exhibition line was now a hollowed grey, and Altandee was now elected as an interchange point for Beenleigh Gold Coast trains. An honourable mention for January of 2017, where the network size had shrunk and ocean space reduced. The Springfield line had also been constricted. December 2017, new stations had opened on the Redcliffe Peninsula line, including
Kalanga, Marumba Downs, Mango Hill East, Rothwell,
and
Kippa-Ring.
the Tennyson line was redrawn with hollowed grey. The TransLink light rail had been added to the network, and the Caboolture and Nambour trains running to Ipswich now run express from Petrie to Northgate. An honourable mention for February in 2019, an airport plane symbol was added, and the Nambour Caboolture rail bus was removed. May 2020, the Nambour Caboolture rail bus was re-added, the airport symbol made smaller, and the G-Link logo updated. Yet another honourable mention for May 2022, when the TransLink logo changed, and the head title font had also changed to match the TransLink font set. On our final map from October 2025, we now entered dark mode. We also had an optional low contrast mode for visibility impaired persons, and a complete redraw of the network, including rounded termini. A brand new colour set was introduced, changing shades of colours, as well as the addition of the 777 bus from Broadbeach South to Gold Coast Airport. The 600 bus from Caloundra to Maroochydore was also added, the 555 bus from Loganholme to Adelaide Street, the 333 bus from Chermside to Woolloongabba, the 222 bus from Carindale to Roma Street, the M1 Metro from 8 Mile Plains to Roma Street, and the M2 Metro from Royal Brisbane Women's Hospital to UQ Lakes. The final change on this list is the addition of the Cross River Rail line preview. An attempt was made to find a network map from August in 2024, when
Park Road Station
was renamed to
Boggo Road Park Road,
ahead of renaming to
Boggo Road,
which occurred on the 21st of July in 2025. As always, we appreciate your time if you've made it to the end of this video. If you could like, subscribe, and tell your friends about what a nerd I am, that would be incredibly amazing and helpful to this channel. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.